Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus back with a brand new video, and there is actually some good news in Benidorm for a change. Let me flip you around and show you it. The good news is Hotel Rosamar, after years of problems, yeah. The story is what happened with Hotel Rosamar. They tried to reopen after lockdown, I think it was. Yeah, tried not reopening after lockdown, doing a bit of work in there, like on the back bit of the hotel. That collapsed, which then of course then led on to quite a lot of stress for them, like lot of paperwork to sort out, safety checks, etc. Took them ages to actually get permits to start work again. Then of course doing that, like, I honestly thought they wouldn't be open anytime soon, but yeah, they are now truly back open. We're up with you.
Moaning about that last walk straight behind you when she could have walked in front.
Oh, alright then. Hotel Calypso there. So yeah, very good news. So as I was saying, awesome are finally back open. Good to see. Really good to see. I honestly weren't expecting them to be open this year. It did seem like they had a lot of work left to be done, but they are open again. Flash Hotel as well. Everyone's favourite hotel here in Benidorm. Then as around the corner you do, of course, have the start of the main strip, Calle Girona, Neptune's, Morgan's Tavern. Oh, stinks a bit round here, mind you. Then you got Magic Fiddler to Benidorm. Now I have said this before, you've probably even heard that Big Dog warn about it, Gromit warn about it. The alley sort of starting just from about here, then going all up the back of the police station. It is quite a dodgy alleyway. Overnight it is known as where the muggers tend to hang out, as well as the ladies of the night. They will sit on this wall. They will sort of stand in the bushes trying to eye up who seems the most drunk, who seems an easy target. And before you know it, your wallet's gone, phone's gone, you've been mugged. So yeah, if you are out of the night, yeah, just avoid this area there, because I do tend to use it as a mugging area. But I tend to sort of hide behind the bushes as well half the time, just to not try and mug people. Then you've got this hotel here, Magic Crystal. Yeah, I don't really know what to say about this place, to be honest. Don't look the best hotel in Benidorm, does it? And well, during lockdown, it were actually being used by homeless. Homeless were managing to get in over the gates, over the fence.
Seen your video, you do a good job.
Brilliant. Cheers,
You
pal.
tried to, I stayed at the Treble, so I looked for a review,
Uh-huh.
and it was used at a gent as well.
Yeah.
Related?
Yeah,
Yeah,
my dad.
it's done, yeah. Yeah.
And you couldn't get in.
Alright.
No.
So I found out to my own loss that it was like,
Yeah. Yeah.
what are you doing today then? When
Just
Just
usual
in
filming.
general, yeah.
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 you live,
And
you live
now
here?
you're on his video, yeah, we live here, yeah.
That's fine.
Up in town, yeah.
Keep up the good work.
Cheers,
Thank you
mate.
very much. Have a good
See you
night.
later. As I was saying, during lockdown, the owners were somehow able to get into this hotel, sort of using it as a place to just chill, sort of thing. And I'm hoping I've just seen that right. 33 degrees today. Can't beat it. Yeah, very nice. 33 degrees. Gonna cross over here. Anyway, shout out to the lad me and Sue have just met. Sadly didn't catch his name. Gonna try rush to get to crossing as well. They don't really give you long on these crossings. And well, half the time if no one is crossing, traffic does tend to just carry on. So yeah, I will advise you, be careful. That is my advice. Just keep in mind crossings over here aren't like what you're used to. Like, just be careful on them. Like, if it's going to cross, quite often that don't really mean nothing. Sometimes you do get idiots just think, well, I own the road, I'll carry on. But yeah, just be careful on them. I have seen a few English nearly get run over by not really paying much attention. So yeah, just stay safe. Got about 8 minutes left, so I'll find somewhere to plonk myself and end the vid. Okay guys, so make sure to smash the like, smash the subscribe, and if you haven't already done so, consider subscribing, which I've just said. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video, and as always, it's another day in the office, it's another day in paradise.